So
Thank you,
the
Roger.
okay. The 3 months is clearly we still get this week when price need to fill. This one is here. Price need to fill this one. So one kind. We did bearish market on next things. Then we had this load that was taken. Then from your normal candle stuff, we've been trading up late now. This was your tick candle, and it's also on this great bullish prices now. So let's start. What's it called? You have this one. That's 3 months. It's showing you a bullish story. Monthly alpha, the same thing. This low was not taken, but this one can count a little. So this current candle now, that's what's it called? The month of March was bullish. I'll put something like this now. This high needs to go. This candle now, the high needs to go. For the low, the high needs to go. So we'll still get small bullish momentum on the monthly time frame. Then go to your weekly. We'll see weekly they talk. Weekly they show sales to an extent, but that's not what to trade. See this stuff now. It closed outside, not inside. Would they follow? This one closed outside, not
Yes.
inside. So we'll need today to close to validate the what's it called the sales, but that's if it will go. The aside this one, since weekly they confusing, you switch to your daily to see what the daily is doing, what the daily they do. If you look at this thing properly now, market they bullish. What do I mean? Impulsive push abi correction, impulse correction, impulse again correction, impulse again correction, impulse correction like na market day now. There's a bullish story already. Then the last 2 days, what happened? This one don't hit TP already. Then if you check, this was Friday, this was yesterday, Monday. Monday now, don't take out Friday low already. And if everything being equal on a normal now, the high should be next. So that candle now will act like your doji that swept below. It's not a perfect doji. But since it swept below, you can count it. Then from here, you switch to your H4. You see your 4-hour candle they talk. The current H4 is reacting from this block, Y12. Reacting from that block, Y12. But that's not your most recent candles. This one now they react from this block, Y12. But if you look at this downside currently, see your impulsive push here, correction. So the next impulse just starts already. So if they bearish or if they bullish. But for me, see this candle here. This low has been taken. Then we had this push. Go to your 1 hour charts. You will see them clearly. Impulse, correction, impulse, whatever. Go to your, I think I got exactly, become this M30 now, you'll see the candle where. Go to M15, it's almost perfect. They see the candle there. Your, what was it called? Doji. It's very perfect there. 30 minutes, you see the doji too. So what do? You mark and wait. I've taught you, I've taught you time and price. I've taught you time and price. You know what this means. See, 10 a.m. Italy. This one when they move now, not Italy. So even if I was to trade from this zone, now this extreme block for trade of which price not happen, then anything may week they above your point of entry is risky. Like it's risky. If we sell or quite well, but me at the wait of buy so yeah. Because this one are the previous week. What's it called? I prefer I the idea they wait to Anybody that won't sell, oh, you are right. Other block there for sales. Me I won't buy you. I might be wrong, but that's just it. So anyone you feel comfortable doing, at least this trend is bullish now. Come on. Let's check if we dey up to premium price currently. See am now. 0.5 zone. So I go with my buys. If you want sell or no wahala. But this week now be my TP. You understand, Abi?
Mm. Yeah.
So that week now be my TP. Normal impulse break inducement here. We buy from here. So long position here.
Now
SLB.
that rejection for that daily that block for that daily chart. Now that one just confused me.
This one, sir.
Yes.
This thing self won't be like inducement for these highs. But if you check weekly, you don't see weekly already now.
Mm.
If you check monthly, it's bullish, clearly bullish. See, that this candle high needs to go. This one too,
Yeah,
inside
I not
bar,
check
it
monthly.
is inside this
I
one.
not check
So,
monthly. Only weekly. And weekly I check which. I
okay.
check monthly.
Then if you check here too, this candle took this one, higher prices. It took the low, closed above. This one too, what's it called? It come respect this candle close, candle close, candle close, candle open, candle close here. See I'm here. So buyers are still much in the market.
Oh, okay.
Buyers are still much in the market. So if this thing has closed inside now for consideration, but since never closing, I know we'll take them. Then go to your daily they talk. Daily, the current daily action already now. This one. See this one now, they respect these what's it called? This candle close, candle open here, kissing candles for here. Now it's on rejected already. Then
Yeah.
this one now, don't take Sunday low already. So I don't see anything serious to do again. I'll just wait for my entry there. And it's obvious on H1.
Yeah.
H4 self. See H4 self is
I,
obvious. Because most
yes, I
of the
still
time
mark
now,
that because
price will not come
that's
this
why
my
boy
week.
just say this happening. That your entry.
You
Now
understand?
which
Price
one
not
go
just
mark?
come here now, run. But me, I prefer if you not come for me, I leave am. That's me. I'm not the one stress myself again.
Yeah.
It comes fine, it not come. No, Allah. I need this one fail. Oh. This one day here. It's just a matter of patience. It's just a matter of patience. So,
Now they give almost two zones, 2 point of PIO
mm,
for that extreme still there.
mm.
That extreme still.
I want just collect 1 to 5 run. Because this way on a scalp at the scalp. Not the hold again. Because all the losses I get the other weeks, I sit
Since
down
I
and look
get
them
that
say,
pattern, I drop.
I sit
I
down
don't dey try
calculate
o.
and find and say, what's it called? The market go don waka like 4 arrow. I go leave am. I know I just say wake up with losses now. So now I dey scalp serious. I know they do swing whatever again. See the GBP USD of this morning now. Was it this account I did that stuff? Okay. You see I'm happy? See that first entry the same week when I dey expect for that other pen and I see the same week here. Impulsive push, broke here, correction, went up. Market just came. This one I felt trigger my zero squared account. This one trigger the other one. Push. Then after when I woke up this morning, I think I am 30, I can't see that candle exactly. As I see this push, I just saw this candle. I just knew price will come back. And it formed that time and price of today to 1 a.m., 1:30 a.m. See, I mean just start run. Imagine all this
Mm.
push. Now market all run all this run finish now. I left above this zone. Itself come back entry. Even though I do beat itself. See, I'm about this
If for
now.
still
So tomorrow now, go find that trade. So that's it. So the first one, I close everything here. No, that's just it. So let's talk about key zones. Today I don't clear my setup because of una all these people. I never carry this account teaching yourself. So let's talk about key zones, yeah. You see this 3 day stuff with the trade now, so you don't just trade it anyhow. Like, you don't just mark any candle you see, you just engage, you know. I've told us already, the first criteria is to see your tick candle, mark the high, and mark the low. Do we get? Then you wait for your doji to form and close either above or below. But to make this thing like for this thing to be more valid of what's it called of high probability now, this candle should be paired with something. That's the dark candle pairing strategy I taught us. I do the video upload on my YouTube. So search for that video. It's candle pairing strategy. See and forget. This candle should not be alone. Most of the time, if you're alone, it might fail. So this candle now should be paired to something behind. Sometimes if it be an engulfing candle, can be an engulfing candle. Just make sure if you look this where this candle reject from close from, maybe they pair to something. If it be engulfing candle, if it be support resistance zone, if it be fair value gap, that's your 3 candles. Your candle A, candle B, candle C. The gap when candle B creates is your FVG. So make sure this your what's it called? This your doji candle, your day 2 candle now should be paired to something. Make it not just the empty. Will they follow?
Yes.
So now let's try.
Yes.
More try, see if we feel. Give me any pair, give me any pair. Let's check.
Oh, check. I think GBP JPY.
You don't want to make a delete all the analysis I don't do. Yeah, no wahala. Let's go. Let's go to the daily now. Let's look for the candles and see. How on the extreme, so. Like you see here now, we had a thick candle here. The doji closed above. If you check, go back. Not the perfect, sure, not the perfect. But now not the engulfing candle too, so I'll trash that one. I won't show now perfect examples around now if we carry do better thing being good. If you check here now too, what's it called? Okay, this one failed. This one failed, but see, it was paired with an FVG here. Can we see? Your T candle, your doji, this one was to buy, but it failed. But with the see,
Yeah.
so this candle now, this your
Yes.
candle 1 here, candle 2 now should be paired to a stronger key level. Make it not just the empty. If you check here now, this one now can be your thick candle. This one set. Trace this one, go back now. You see the inside the same FVG. See it here now. This one swept now. It's paired with an FVG, so that one is high probability. You know they fail most of the time. This one here to your thick candle. Where this one come from? See I'm here. From this zone. Your kissing candles there. Not a so perfect chabets. I'm gonna try it take notes. If I see perfect on Agolon and Nosha. Let's check together. See they do this thing. You are the chief. Good. See what I define for you. You see, I'm a bit. So now the trend is
Yeah.
bullish. You have this candle close, candle open there. Even aside that, this is a support zone. See, market reject and break above, come to retest. So you call am flip zone or call am support zone. Anyone just understand what I'm trying to. It should not just be empty. Check and make sure it's paired to something. Check here too. You have a fair value gap here. See candle one, candle two, candle three. That is it. See, Amabi, as a reject now, you go to your lower time frame, look for your entry, you continue. Yeah, let's check if we can see the what's it called, the entry. If I move this thing to hard to move to hard always at it. Let's check. That was December 25. Let's go to Asian. Ooh. That's it. So what can you see? This one I just said and show the carry move. So see the market. This was the last leg that came down. This low was taken here. Simple thing. You wait for this, where this market, you just wait for a candle to close above. As it close above, finish. See your inducement leg here. Impulse correction. You want buy below now. Let me delete this stuff. If your inducement here. This here flexibility comes in. If you were to wait for this extreme now, if you were to wait for this extreme candle now, you miss the trade. Let's say, let's go on our, oh, let's see. Okay, good. So if you come 1 hour above now, this was your last sell to buy candle. Okay. Now zero spread I can go trigger am. But if you look at this now, you see your candle here. The dragonfly doji, these are the special candles then. This particular dragonfly doji, if you see them, you can mark your point of entry. It hardly fails. I don't teach that thing before. If you mark it at your point of entry, and we see that's it. The dragonfly doji, it hardly fails. That's it. You understand, Abi? Let's go back to daily. So just make sure the candle is not a loner. Make it stand well. So we are done with this one. Make us see if I can see another one again.
Please, can you give us another word for that inducement? Does it mean that inducement
No, ask me question.
now coming?
Oh, let me. Whenever I give time for question, you don't ask me question. No, that's how does it. This one need close inside to cash it. This is what we trade here. This is your target. What you should know is impulse, correction, impulse. See your inducement leg for here. So the fact that I called inducement does not mean I change anything. Like your inducement be impulse, correction, impulse. So the 5 big grammar then that's on you. This is getting back in from back. Okay, nothing close. But we saw this one I showed us here should be paired to a support. You see this one now, market rejected it, rejected, broke above, came back to retest and continue. So these ones they give you more what's it called? See the move now. bought for this. But let's check if I see another one given. Fine. Yeah. This one really cause problem. Good. If you see here now, this one closed above. They're not they pair to anything seriously serious till what's it called? We have this block here. That's it. Now see this one now. This one now closed. This one now cannot act as your T candle, your doji that closed above. See the cells. This one how far? I'm coming. This one is not okay. This one closed outside, so it's not. This one not concerning. Closed outside is not our candle. Good. See this one now. Support zone. Support appear resistance and unknown. See your T candle, your doji formed. It closed inside. So make sure your what's it called? Your D2 candle. D1 is a T candle. D2 has something supporting it from below, or not be below. Previous price action. So you get what's it called? A good momentum to push to the upside. You can TP there. This one close inside, so I think so. It's not so okay. Yes, it closed inside. Yes, it closed inside. Exactly. Let's check. Is it paired to anything? Yeah. Will you see Amabi? Candle close, candle open. I know teaching that one. But you also understand, just make sure this candle 2 is paired to something. It should not be empty. It should not stand lonely. See here again. This one, but leave that one. This should be your concern here. You have this rejection candle here. Then your T candle, your doji candle, you sell here. This, your doji candle now is paired with this block. You go lower from daily now, you switch to H1. You sell there. Switch to H1, you buy. So always make sure that stuff is paired, not trade and empty like that. Do we get this one is empty? Where it showed. Good. No. This is not what we trade. This one closed outside, so we won't take it. Good. See this one now. Close inside. See the cells. It's paired to this zone behind. Anyone here? Nope. I know take down. This one looks fair. This one looks nice. Check behind what is there. That's your fair value gap there. See the rejection. Are we getting it? This one here. Your candles here. Nice rejection. So always check. Once you don't see your T candle, check if it is paired to somewhere. If it not they paired, you'll see trade and sharp bet. Go see this one now. This is previously support, resistance, support, broken, blah, 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 blah. See it here. Connected. You switch lower. You look for buys. It's that simple. The same thing here. The same thing here. It's connected. You switch lower. You look for your buys. This one connects. Okay, yes, exactly. See this previous zone here. Connected. So I do more of precision trading. If I see them, I trade. If it not complete, I leave them. That's me. See here too. Is it connected? Go behind. See, it's coming from somewhere. So always make sure this candle came from somewhere strong. That way your losses will be reduced. This one is paired to this one. This one is paired to this one. See the cells. This one, no, I know take them. See this one, very nice, very, very nice. It came from here. Can we see? Once you see this kind of one, it suits your life time frame, you sell for long. So these ones now be the real pro trend. Like the trend was bullish. You saw this stuff at the extreme. Because the candle pairing, this one is paired to another strong candle. This one is paired to an engulfing candle. The sales will always be massive. That's it. The same thing here too. It's paired. To fish lower, you sell. This one closed outside, so you're not concerned us. This one not concern us to. Okay. This one failed. This one failed here. Yes, this one failed. Because it meets all our criteria. Like all our criteria were met. It has these engulfing candles below. Your T candle, bullish market, yes. Doji, yes. You close inside, yes. You buy small, sell small, you fail. So this thing is not bulletproof that you will not lose money. I've told us before now. I know they tell now say you're not going to lose money. I've never said that in any day. That if you do this thing properly, your chances of losing will be minimal. Are we getting me? Your chances
Yes.
of losing will be minimal. Not be like you take trade. I don't day 2 weeks, I lose every day. I call off my system. I was back. I'll be there as about that period. Straight 2 weeks, I had losses back to back. I thought, okay, make I rest. I off my system, paid for courses, watch YouTube, rested for 2 weeks. I didn't trade. I came back again, started with losses. That's it. So the market not really send you. You can do everything right and still lose money. But at least make sure you do what is right. And if you lose money, fine. You sleep better that way. Than say you mark nonsense, make money for the happy say you make money. It's wrong. This one not they paid to anything. It's not paid to anything so serious. At least you can see extreme. You guys. So always make sure. See this one here now. Your T candle, the doji. Where the doji come from? From these candles here. So always make sure it's paired to something. Make it not stand alone. This one here now, where is it coming from? This previous block here. Are we getting it? So that's the idea of key zones. One, you see that it support previous flip zones, FVG zones, other block, anyhow you want call them. I don't know. Then make sure that your candle is not standing alone. It should be supported by something. Oh yeah, when I get question, I'm gonna ask now.
Yes, boss.
We just have 5 minutes, 3 minutes left. So if you have questions, ask.
Okay, thank you. I think I just discovered another thing this evening. This one you call the candle open and close. That's you call it kissing candle.
Leave
I'm
that
just
to
seeing this one.
My caller not me say you go
Okay.
do and leave them.
Okay.
Why you go confuse yourself? Stick to your impulse correction impulse. I have my
Boss,
patience.
my own question. Yeah, this our impulse correction impulse. And when you say we should use H1 to find structure, most times I dey find am hard to use H1 find structure. But if I go to like say 15 minutes, 30 minutes, I dey see the structure. Is that I feel continue with that?
No. All those anything below H1, the zone fit easily fail. Like you will see your structure perfectly well, but market for your money don't go. And you go see work out the normal direction. So I prefer make a fee for higher time frame. Man, it's okay. I really lose than say I lose money for that. You go to pay me. Seriously.
Okay.
And
Okay.
not be saying they do I do like if you check gold, that be silver now. At the M1, they wait. XAG, like at the M1. I marked the stuff on M30 as at yesterday. I think when it triggered today, I was not on PC. This 1 minute now remain with very realistic. So like not be the faster they tell and say day higher time, not me say I know it. I use all time frames. Okay, if you don't day close to me, you're supposed to know. Like I do all time frames, all and not day particular to one. This, I do everything. So I think I saw that stuff exactly on the 30 minutes time frame. What do I mean? This candle was swept. Then my normal structure, impulsive push, correction. See your inducement or here, Mr. Joshua. The next push. Then what candle is there?
Okay.
What candle is there? That's your doji candle.
Doji, yes.
I marked it. But when the stop happened, I was not on system. So as market enter here now, so I switched to M1. M5 said not give me better this thing. If you check M1, the structure is clear, but it's like market will not come back. But if you check it now, you see your normal listing, see your impulse, correction, impulse inside that block. So my limit still there, they wait, sha. I'm still waiting. If you come back, fine. If you not come back, no worry. So the faster they tell now, say stay this thing, not me say you get wrong. But like if you can't see it on H1, then trash that setup. Do you get?
Okay, boss.
Yeah, if you not see it for H1, because that what's it called? That pairing it makes sense. That H4, M15, what's it called? Weekly H4, daily H1. Then when it tap into your H1 block now, you cannot go lower to confirm and get more RR. So now they mark your structure from lower time frame is wrong.
Yes, yes, boss.
Okay. So that's that as well now. So if I'm chance tomorrow, we'll but I don't know. All right, now take care.
All right.